Let's continue our discussion about the general ledger with allocations, both where to set up and manage them and where you can use them. To get started, let's set one up. Let's go to the general ledger application in the Setup tab, then down under Allocations, Transaction Allocation. Here's the list of any allocations we've already created. Let's go ahead and add one. First, we'll start by giving the allocation an ID. We'll be using this one to split taxes based on location. Next, we have a decision to make. Are we splitting this solely based on a percentage? Well, we know the exact amount, and therefore we can have an absolute number for each location or dimension. Or do we want a fixed amount for one location and then a percentage-based allocation for the remainder? I'm going to stick with the simple percentage-based. So simply add your values. That's going to be the percent here. So then you only need the information that you're splitting it by. It keeps track of your total down here. Once you reach 100, you're good to save. Please note that allocations, while the value and the location are mandatory, the location can be the same and you can allocate across department, project, in some use cases, customer, employee, vendor, etc. But you choose what you need. Next, let's see them in action. Allocations generally can be used out of the box in journal entries, AP bills, and in some use cases, invoicing and purchase orders. In the general ledger, it's usually best that if you have one line with an allocation, you should also have the balancing line with the same allocation. To see the breakdown of your split, go to Show More Details on the line. And in the allocation split section, it'll show transaction amount and base amount according to the split that you set up. In accounts payable bills, you can add it to any vendor bill. You'll notice that the location was grayed out when I added the split to this line. Post. Then again, for details of the split, go to Show More Details. But that's all I have for you. That's allocations.